In mathematics symbol, it is multiplication. Multiple. Multiple. Multiple is like equivalent or similar to times. Multiple 就几倍这样子 ，OK? Multiple. Please write it down. Write those words down on your handout. Write it down on your handout. Multiple. And times. Okay. Write down, yeah, on your handout. Multiplication is the same as the multiple, but it is for like 名词 multiplication. 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 Replace this E to I-C-A-I-O-N. Okay. Multiplication. Okay. Okay. Sometimes we say multi. This means 多 okay. Multi means 多 My phone is ringing. 这个我的 cell phone 叮叮咚咚这样 Excuse me. I already turned it off. Okay. 我已经把它 turn off 了。这个为什么 turn off？但是他还在那边哇哇叫 Excuse me. Okay. So today we are going to talk about the multiplication. How many times? Okay. But something different from the multiplication you have learned in your elementary school. In the elementary school, you are like doing positive integers, right? Positive. What is positive? Positive. Negative. Do you know positive and negative? Which one is 正? Which one is 负? Positive. Which one is this? Which one is this? A or B? For positive. A, B. Sometimes in the election, 选举, 投票, election, voting, okay? We will say, yeah, yeah. Nay, no. We will say yes, yeah. We will say nay, no. So sometimes when you see the character like N, sometimes it's not something like bad. I don't like it. So which one is minus? Positive or negative? Negative. Negative is minus. Positive is positive. Positive is something good or something we like it. Okay. So we are going to do multiplication on numbers, not only positive numbers but also negative numbers. 我们要做 positive number and negative number 的 multiplication，OK？OK？、I believe you have learned. I believe 我相信 I believe you have learned something about positive and negative numbers, right? 有学过正负数的吗？有。What are those two words stands for? 它们是代表什么意思 ？Positive or negative?
正代表加，然后负代表
正 positive 正的
负
正。Okay. When we say negative, you are trying to describe something differently. Okay. Opposite 不一样的不一样的东西。When we say negative 负 negative something totally different. But there is very one property for positive and negative. Okay. Positive and negative, they will cancel out. They will cancel. What is cancel? What is cancel? Cancel. Cancel. 嗯？
相反。
啊？
相反。
相反。Cancel. If you do something very good, you can use this good behavior to cancel out the bad record. 你做的好事情，你可以把你过去的不好的记录把它怎么样？抵消掉，对不对？Cancel means 抵消，可以吗？Cancel, okay. You don't have to worry too much. You don't have to worry too much about I can write it or not, okay? 你会写那个字不会写，这 doesn't matter， 没有关系的 ，okay? Even though if you cannot understand what I'm saying today, if you cannot follow me, just fine. We have a video, okay? You can repeat it, okay? Check it out later. Tonight, tomorrow, anytime, okay? 我们有那种 translator 的那种 app, you can use them to translate my wording today into Chinese, okay? Yeah. But when we say positive or negative, we mean they have different character, 不一样的特质 different character or opposite 另外一种相反的 opposite properties. But the most important thing is they can cancel out. Cancel. Like black and white. Can black and white cancel out? You use the white ink to cancel the black ink. That will become gray, right? 灰色的 They won't cancel out, right? 它不会 cancel out, 对不对 But if you earn money, 就是 I earn money, I spend my money, okay? Earning money, spending money, those two behavior will cancel out, right? 赚钱 earn, 赚钱跟花钱会不会抵消啊？会抵消 ，OK, very good. Okay. Climbing up, going down, 会不会抵消？ Yeah, they cancel out, right? So when we say positive or negative, something like they will cancel out. Okay, I go upstairs, 2 floors, and then go downstairs, 2 floors. Where are you? 你在哪里 I go up 2 stairs, 2 floors, and down 2 floors. Where are you? 你在哪里你在原地，对不对？了解吗 cancel， 可以吗 ？But when you say so we say climbing up. If you say 2 floors, you say climbing up 2 floors, okay? 2层正2. Then how about you go down 2 floors? You will say -2, right? Without those 2 symbols, you only have like 2 floors, right? 2层楼 But you don't know you are going up or down, right? 你上下我不知道 Okay, only 2 floors. Okay, but sometimes you will use this negative symbol to transform, to make it differently. The negative, this symbol will make it like from that way to that way. 从另外一边跑到另外一边去 Okay. Maybe you will say, so negative sometimes can be said on the contrary. On the contrary 就是不是那个呢，刚好相反。On the contrary 刚好相反这样子。So no. On the contrary 怎么样这样子 OK 所以 when you say something you can use negative to transform the original property to the negative side okay like you say oh excuse me this will transform this number 2 you can consider this 2 is positive 2 right you can make a negative sign to transform this into a negative number, right? And then if you negative this number again, so you transform this number to some number opposite to this one, right? Who can cancel this -2 out? Negative something is something you can cancel it out, right? 跟它抵消，对不对？ Who can cancel -2, right? Got it? 知道我在讲什么吗 Okay, very good. 我觉得他们都很专心呢。你们这个真的是一个好学校 ，Yeah. 这个你们上课怎么都？你平常就这么专心吗？啊。Okay. 我们会说哈，我们会说 you show your confidence. Okay. 我很有信心这样的。You show your confidence. Okay. Now when I say -2 times 4. It means 4 times of -2, right? So 4 times of -2, you might have 4 -2, right? -2, or you can say -2, right? -2 times multiple. How many multiple? 几倍的 4 times, right? 4 times. So you will make it 4 times, right? 你会把它弄4次 right? 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times. No. So you have -8, right? 是不是 So you say -2 times 4, okay? It means 4 multiple, right? 4倍，对不对 ？Good. If I say 3, we say multiple or multiplied. Multiplied. 糟糕，我不能讲太多的 grammar 英文文法 no grammar OK. Multiplied means 被怎么样作用 OK 被怎么样作用 So we say multiplied by -2. Multiplied by -2. If you say 2 times, if you just say multiply by 2, then you mean 2 times, right? But if you say -2 means negative of this number 2 times, right? 把它 negative and then 2 times, right? Got it? 知道吗 Yeah. So when you say 3 multiplied by -2, so this will make your 3 becomes -3 and then 2 times, right? Okay? So it will be -6. Great. 哦，你们太好教了，这个真的是，哎，而且非常的 happy， 这个跟你们上课快乐的不得了，哎，非常的这个responsive 有反应了呢。
Very nice.
Yeah, very nice. So nice of you. Yeah. 哎，你很棒。I believe, I am convinced your English teacher must be excellent. Yeah. 我相信你的英文老师一定是非常的一级棒。OK. Yeah. 真的不容易，真的不容易。One is you can try, you are trying to understand what I'm saying in English. 这是最重要的。You are trying, OK? 你不会 scared by me, OK? By an old person here, 老头子 here, OK? But when I say -5 multiplied by -6, what will you have? 30? Positive 30? Negative 30? Why it is positive 30? Originally you have -5, right? Originally 原来的，对不对？最原始的 originally you have -5, right? Then you multiply by -6, so you will make it oppositely, right? 反过来，对不对？ So this negative sign will make it to the opposite number, right? 所以它会变多少呢？5. So you are doing like 5 times 6, right? So you got 30. Okay. 30. Okay. 13 多少？13. Okay. 好 very good. How many time do we have? When is the class end? When is the class end? 几分钟 我们啊，20 minutes more. OK， 我们还有20分钟。哦。So when you do multiplication, make sure when you do multiplication of two numbers, firstly, what is firstly? First, what is first? 第一个 firstly 就是第一件事情，你要做什么样事情的第一件要紧的事叫 firstly 加个 ly, OK? Firstly, determine the sign, OK? 就是你要 determine, make sure what sign do you have, OK? 这个 sign is negative multiplied by a negative number that will becomes positive, right? Okay, so you determine the positive or negative first, right? I know that this is negative. Reversed 反过来 reversed by this negative number, right? Reversed 反过来。你有开车那个 when you are driving a car, there's a reverse gear, R gear. 你看到那个档位那里有一个 R.
R 档。
R 是什么档？
倒车档。
R 是 R， 这应该不是倒车档啊！我跟你讲哦，那个 R 它 stands for not we are driving our car forward, right? Reverse means differently， 反过头来的意思。OK。
所以它是油门换另外一边。
If I doing this, and you say reverse, I will do what? Again, if I am walking like this way, then if you say reverse, I will do this way, right? 相反 right? 对不对 Yeah, no matter what you have, when you say reverse, just do it differently, right? 就跟它不一样的就对了 OK? Okay. This is negative multiplied by a negative number. This negative will reverse this sign, okay? The reverse side of the negative is positive, right? But in Chinese, you will say 负负得正，对不对？
Yes.
Well, that's fine. 负负得正 is fine. I will tell you in some more detail if I have time or if we have chance to do that. But remember first, determine the sign. Write it down on your paper. 把它写下来。重点呀。Determine， 我的字不晓得你看得懂看不懂 ，I don't know. My writing is so badly. No matter what you are doing, multiplication just fine, division just fine. Determine the sign first, okay? 一定要先决定 is this a positive number or negative number? Okay? And then try to figure out the size. The size of the number. 这个数字的大小 ，OK？ the size of the number is determined by the number without any property sign, right? This is the size of the number. This is the size of the number. Okay. 比如说几楼 how many floors? That is the size of the floors that you are going to like climbing or up or down, right? 你要 climb up or climb down, right? 它只是个数字，它是个大小 the size. Okay. And the positive and negative is the property. Okay. 可以吗？ Determine the sign first and then find out the size of the number. 可以吗？ Okay. Before you do the multiplication, you will say, what is the sign of this number? I would say negative. Oh, become positive. Then become negative. Then become positive, right? So this is a positive number, right?
Yes.
Okay? And then what is the size of this number? Just pick up all those numbers out, right? 把它抓出来，对不对 ？OK， 可以吗 ？Pick up， 抓起来，拿起来 ，pick up all those numbers out， 把它抓出来，这样子，可以吗？
可以。
3 times 5 times 7 times 8. Okay? 这样就可以了。Okay. You are in senior high school, not in elementary school. So sometimes you don't have to multiply everything out. Just keep it there. Okay? 就这样子就好。Sometimes. Okay? 可以吗？What do we mean by divide? What is divide? Divide.
除
Huh? DI. DI means you put something away. Or you see something, this and that, what is the difference? Difference. Excuse me. Difference. What is difference? The difference between you and me is you are handsome, but I am not. 我跟他的差别在哪里？我刚刚讲的，他比较帅 ，right? So the difference between you and me is that you are handsome, but I'm not. 好，我们再看那个差别，就把它分开的意思。Di 有一点分开的意思 ，OK？ 所以you say divide means divide， 把它分开。OK， 可以吗？
平分。
所以 what is division? Divide, division. We say division. Division. This is division. This is division. Division 就是把它分开的一种行为。OK. Write it down. A divided by 2, okay? We say divided. We will call this expression. Expression 就是算式， expression， 但是不用写，你不用写太多 ，OK？ We say 8 divided. Just we say multiplied 被什么乘 ，OK？ 那这个的意思是什么呢 ？divided 被什么除，对不对？对 ，OK。所以这个是被 A 的被谁除呢？被2去除，对不对？可以吗？可以哈。How do we realize？ 我们怎么去理解 ？How do we realize the result of a division？ 我们怎么去 realize 结果？这个结果我们怎么去理解它？啊 ？Let me do it. Say. We say 8 divided by 2, right? And you will put what here? 4. You find 2 times 4 gives you 8, right?
Yes.
So, this number is the result of the division, right? 这个数字就是你的除法，你的 division 的 result 的结果，对不对？所以这个 numbers 它的I would say the rule of this number. The rule of this number is like 8 is 2 times which number? How many times of 2? How many times of 2 is equal to 8, right?
4.
You say 4, right? So 4, this question mark here stands for the result of the division. We say this is 8 divided by 2. Okay. I will put this division in this picture. 8, 2, 2. Like this is the division, the result of the division. 8 divided by 2, right? Okay. So from here, you know that 2, 多少个 2 呢? How many times of 2? How many times of 2 will make you 8, right? Oh, 4. I know, it is 4, right? 可以吗?
Okay.
So, I would say, well, I'm so stupid. I was walking from there all the way to here. Why not just go from there to here in this way? Stupid. I would say, this is a number. Consider this is a number. 就是你把它看作是一个数，我就看把它当做一个数。这个数有什么作用呢？这个作用，这个数 ，this number stands for 8. 8 is how many times of 2. Always 把这个数 think about this division, the result division by a number, 一个 number. Say 8 is how many times of 2, okay? 它是它的几倍，可以吗？这个数 this number stands for what? 这个数它代表什么意思？82的几倍，这样可以吗？可以哈。Okay. When we say 8 divided by -2. Oh, what the result? This is a number. This is a number. And we say 8 is how many times of -2, right?
4.
Wait a minute. 稍等一下 OK? 台语懂吗？
听得懂。
稍等一下，叫做 wait a minute. OK? Oh, that will be a long time because a minute is a long time. So we will say, oh, wait a second. What's the difference between wait a minute and wait a second? When we say wait a minute, we will say wait a minute. 如果很急的话 wait a second. What's the difference? Because 1 minute has 60 seconds, right? 好。So, if this number is divided by a negative number, you say 8 is how many times of this negative number. But you know that 8 and the -2, they have different signs, right? 它们有不一样的 signs, right? So when you trying to say 8 is how many times of -2, you have to reverse this negative sign to positive sign, right? 你要说 when you want to say 8 is how many times of -2, because this is a negative, this is a positive. So you have to reverse this negative to a positive sign, right? How can you do that? You need a negative sign to reverse this negative sign, right? And what is the size of this number? 4. Okay? 有比较懂了吗？有 ，Great， 非常的高兴，让我有机会再讲这个已经生锈的 rusted 的英文这样子。我的英文已经都生锈了，所以你听起来一定觉得有点不是那么的习惯。OK， Thank you so much. Thank you. Okay. My nickname is CA. So just call me, just 叫我 just call me CA, right? CA, okay? And just say thank you, CA.
Thank you, CA.
Good. Thank you so much. Okay. Nice to teach to you. Nice to work to you. OK， 好，谢谢你们，谢谢后面的老师们，谢谢，谢谢校长，谢谢你给我这个机会，教这么优秀的学生，我今天太享受了，真的，你带给我这个快乐的一整天这样子，好，谢谢。